Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Students, do you remember what we had learned in last session? Yes, try to remember. Correct. In the last session, we have learned about myself. What I had taught you in myself? Yes, I taught you how to introduce yourself, and we introduce, or while introducing ourselves, we describe ourselves with the help of some points. So which are those points we describe while introducing ourselves? For example, we describe or we mention about our name, age, birthday, place where we live, then about our hobbies, correct? So these were the points we remember when we introduce ourselves to someone. Beside that, we learned about favorite things. What is meant by favorite things? So favorite things means the things which we like more than other things, they are known as a favorite things. Okay, this much we have learnt in the last session. Okay, so today we will learn one more new chapter. Okay, but before that, tell me children, would you like to listen a rhyme? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, very good. So everybody sit straight, fold your hands and listen the rhyme whichever I am going to play now.
Shoulders, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Elbows, ankles, feet and hands, elbows, ankles, feet and hands, and hips and hair and fingers and chin. Elbows, ankles, feet and hands. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
One more time children, listen the rhyme carefully.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Elbows, ankles, feet and hands, elbows, ankles, feet and hands, and hips and hair and fingers and chin. Elbows, ankles, feet and hands. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
Students, tell me, did you enjoy the rhyme? Oh, very good. Now, did you notice which rhyme it was? Yes, tell me. Yes, it was your UKG grades rhyme. Already you have learned this rhyme in UKG class, isn't it? But now tell me children, what was the rhyme related to? What exactly the description was in that rhyme? Can you tell me? Yes, correct. In this rhyme, the description was about parts of body, isn't it? Yes, body parts were mentioned in this rhyme. So children, Today we are going to learn lesson number 2, that is my body. Which lesson we are going to learn today? We are going to learn lesson number 2 and the name of lesson is my body. Okay, I hope your books are you. Just put the books in front of you. Don't open the books. When I will tell to open, then only open your books. See children, today we are going to learn lesson number 2 and what is the name of lesson? The name of lesson is my body. In this lesson, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn parts of my body. So, which parts we are going to see? For example, head, neck, shoulder, hand, stomach, leg, toe, etc. Next, we are going to learn in this lesson uses of body parts. What are the uses of body parts? We will learn in this lesson. And the last point in this lesson is sense organ. We will learn about sense organ. What is meant by sense organ? What are their uses? All these we are going to learn in this lesson. Now, everybody listen to me carefully. We are going to learn lesson number 2, my body. Okay. But before to start our lesson, just listen to me. Whatever the instruction I am going to you, just follow those instructions. Okay children. So we will do some activities. Okay. Are you ready? Okay, very good. So everybody clap your hands. Clap. Very good. Tap your head. Very good. Touch your nose. Very good. Blink your eyes like this. Very good. Do the action of reading. Do you know how to do the action? Like this. Very good. Do the action of writing. Very good. Next, do the action of throwing. Very good. Did you notice children? For doing all these activities, we use our body parts. Isn't it? ये सभी actions करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? We use some body parts. So children, see, first of all, I will show you some body parts and their names. Okay? Afterwards, we will go ahead. See children, I am going to show you some body parts. See, these are the parts of body of girl. See children, this is face. This part is known as face and the upper part is known as head. This is head. See here, on the head there are so many hair. What are there on head? Hair. Next, see children, these are eyes. Look at to me, these are eyes. How many eyes do you have? Yes, 2. Everybody have 2 eyes. Next, see, this is nose. Look at to me, this is nose. What is this? This is a nose. And this is eye. We have 2 eyes. Okay. Next, see, ear. Which part of body is this? Ear. Look here, these are ears. We have 2 ears. Next, see, this is neck. This part of body is known as neck. Next, see children, this is hand. Which part of body is this? Hand. And hand have a different parts and they have also different name. For example, I will tell you, see, this is my hand. This is shoulder. Okay. Elbow. What we call to this part? elbow, this is arm, this is wrist, and these are the fingers, and all these fingers have a different name. Okay. Next, see, this is leg. Which part of body is this? This is a leg. Okay. Now see, leg have also different parts and they have also different names. For example, see, this is knee. This is knee. Next, leg, and this part is known as leg. Next, ankle, foot, this is heel, okay, and this is, okay, these both are the heel. Got it? And this is the toe. This is known as big toe. Okay? Do you understood the parts of body? Once again, I will show you parts of body and their name. See, head, this is face. Face have different parts. Which are those parts? Eyes, we have 2 eyes. Ears, we have also 2 ears. Nose, we have 1 nose. These are cheeks, lips, chin, neck, shoulders. These 2 hands, and hands have different parts. For example, elbow, arm, wrist, fingers. Okay. Next, chest, stomach, knees, downside legs, foot, ankle, and toes. Okay, everybody understood the names of body parts. Okay. So now all of you open your book, page number 174 and lesson number 2. Okay. See children, what we are going to learn in this lesson? We are going to learn parts of my body. Already just now I told you the names of those body parts, uses of body parts and sense organs. Okay. Now see children, everybody listen carefully. See, body parts have different names. As I told you just now, all the body parts have a different names. Draw lines to match the body parts in the picture with their name. What we have to do? We have to draw the lines to match the body parts in the picture with their name. See, here 2 columns are given, and in both columns names of some body parts are given, and in the middle of both columns body is given. What we have to do? We have to do the, we have to draw the lines to match the body parts. Okay. So everybody take your pencils. We will just read out the names. Okay. And we will match those names with the body parts. See children, what is the first body part given here? H-E-A-D, head. Everybody repeat after me and then we will join it. Repeat after me, H-E-A-D, head. So, match it to head. This is head. Okay. Done. Next, N-E-C-K, neck. What? N-E-C-K, neck. Where is the neck? See, this is the neck. Okay, very good. So, match it to the neck. Done. Everybody do with me. Next, see, already hand it has shown here. Okay. Next, say the spelling of hand, H-A-N-D, hand. Once again repeat, H-A-N-D, Very good. Next part, ELBOW, elbow. What? ELBOW, elbow. Where is the elbow? See, this is elbow. Done. Next, STOMACH, stomach. Repeat once again. STOMACH, stomach. Match it. Stomach. Done. Next, KNEE, knee. What? KNEE, knee. Match it. Done. Next, FOOT, foot. FOOT, foot. Match it here. This is foot. Done. Now we will go to the next body part. See? Repeat after me and then join. SHOULDER, shoulder. Once again repeat. SHOULDER, shoulder. Match it to the shoulder. Done. Next, ARM, arm. ARM, arm. Where is the arm? Match it here. This is the arm. Done. Next, FINGER, finger. FINGER, finger. So match it to any one of finger here. Done. Very good. Next, CHEST, chest. CHEST, chest. Match it to the chest. Done. Next, LEG, leg. LEG, leg. Very good. Match it. Leg. Next, ANKLE, ankle. ANKLE, ankle. Where is your ankle? Match it. Ankle. Done. Next, TOE, toe. Repeat once again and match. TOE, toe. Done. Everybody finish? Okay. So students, what we will do, one more time we will just read out the names of body parts with their spelling. Okay? Repeat. HEAD, head. HEAD, head. NECK, neck. HAND, hand. ELBOW, elbow. STOM, ACH, stomach. KNEE, knee. FOOT, foot. Next, SHOULDER, shoulder. ARM, arm. FINGER, finger. Very good. C-H-E-S-T, chest. L-E-G, leg. A-N-K-L-E, ankle. T-O-E, toe. Done? Very good. Now, everybody open next page, 175. Open page number 175. See children, now we will learn uses of body parts. What we are going to learn now? Uses of body parts. Just now I introduced some body parts and their name. But children, do you know all these body parts are helpful to us? Means we use all these body parts to do some work. Okay. Without this some body parts we can't do anything. Okay. So let's see what are the uses of these body parts. See children, different parts of the body help us to do different things. As I said now that different parts of the body help us to do different things. See, this is what we do with our hands. See, which work we can do with the help of our hand. See, clap, C-L-A-P, clap. We use hands to clap. Next, P-A-I-N-T, paint. We use our hands to paint the picture. Next, W-R-I-T-E, write. For writing also we use our hands. Means what things we can do with the help of our hand? We can clap, paint, write. Not only this, but also we can throw the ball, we can pick up the things, we can hold the things, we can catch with the help of our hands. Do you understood how hand is helpful to us? Okay. Now go ahead. This is what we do with our legs. Now see what work we can do with the help of our legs. See, run, R-U-N, run, J-U-M-P, jump, S-K-I-P, skip. We can run, we can jump, we can skip, also we can kick the ball with the help of our legs. Got it children? Very good. Now see children. Now see children, I am going to play video. Listen it carefully.
This is my hand. It has 5 fingers. The tallest finger is the middle finger. The fourth finger is known as the ring finger. The little finger is the baby finger. This is my foot. It has 5 toes. The largest toe is the big toe. The smallest toe is the little toe.
Okay children, one more time, listen it carefully.
Fingers and toes. This is my hand. It has 5 fingers. The tallest finger is the middle finger. The fourth finger is known as the ring finger. The little finger is the baby finger. This is my foot. It has 5 toes. The largest toe is the big toe. The smallest toe is the little toe.
Have you seen the video? Okay. See children, we have fingers and thumb on each hand. How many hands do we have? We have 2 hands. See, these are our 2 hands. Each finger, we have fingers and thumb on each hand. Means both hands have 4 fingers and 1 thumb. Both the hands, look at to me. These are my hands and both hands have a thumbs and 4 fingers to each hand. Okay. Each finger has a special name. All these fingers have special names. See, the finger that stands apart is known as the thumb. Look at to me. The finger which stands apart from these fingers, this is known as thumb, and it stands apart from these fingers. Next, the finger next to the thumb is the pointer finger. The finger which is next to the thumb is known as pointer finger. Why we call this finger as a pointer finger, do you know? Because whenever we want to point something, that time we use this finger. For example, I want to show the board, then I will use this finger like this. This is board, that is table, like this. To point out the things, we use this finger. So, this finger is known as a pointer finger. Next, the finger the tallest finger is the middle finger, and the finger which is tallest is known as a middle finger, and it is tallest among all. Okay. Now, look at the next page. The 4th finger is known as the ring finger. The 4th finger is known as ring finger. The little finger is the baby finger, and the finger which is little one, it is known as a ring finger. Do you understood children? The fingers and their names. Thumb, it stands apart from all the fingers, and the finger next to the thumb is pointer finger, middle finger, ring finger and little finger. Next see children, the end of our foot has 5 toes. How many toes do we have? We have 5 toes. The largest toe is the big toe. The toe which one is the largest is known as the big toe. The smallest toe is the little toe, and the toe which one is smallest is known as a little toe. Do you understood children? Parts of body, their names, uses of body parts, then fingers and their names. Okay. So children, today we have learned about some body parts and their names, the uses of body parts, names of fingers and names of toes. Okay. So today you have to do the practice of all these. Means you have to read the names of body parts, you have to learn about the uses of body parts, names of fingers and names of toes. Okay. So today we will stop here and we will meet in the next session to learn the remaining part of this lesson. Till that, take care children. Bye.